Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney. There's Robbie. Look at this. Isn't it cute? These are $5.95. I see Mickey Mouse down there. It's a piece of watermelon. It looks like Patrick Star watermelon. So they have a watermelon, and they have SpongeBob.
What you doing? The drinks right there?
And here's a drink.
Right there?
Who is that? Monkey's Plush. Here's Disney. Oh, it's a little mouse. Gus. They have Minnie Mouse. What is that? Disney Pixar Hamm. Oh, this is from Toy Story Hamm, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Isn't Hamm on there? This is. Well, who are these people? I've never seen these. Is this a popcorn? Soften your life and sweeten your heart. I love this one. Oh, is that the Genie from Aladdin? Yep, it's the Genie from Aladdin. I love this one. Okay. Who is this? This is an ice cream snail. The tag's missing on it. Looks like a chew toy for the dogs, but it can't be.
Yeah.
There's Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Who else is in here?
Oh, what the heck? Candy.
Slime liquor, strawberry, sour filled milk chocolate bar. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. Here's one. Now who is this? Ploofs. Bobbles, costumed plushies. Oh, I had it upside down, guys. It's a boba ball drink. Here's Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins the web. Can't you see? Look out. What is that?
Avocado. Oh, it's a frog.
Okay. And these are, there's a lot in there. There's a bunny rabbit. Is that a bunny rabbit right there? These are they're $5.95, and we're at Five Below in Florida.